Okay, my dear friends, since I got all of you here, I'm going to make an announcement of our friendship and our salesman. Wally, are you okay? No, Olga, I hadn't eaten before I left home. So, why? Because I was in a hurry. I know, but maybe after the speech is over. Okay. From dead person, and the goldfish goes to... What was that? Did I hear something? Nah, just my head. So anyway, the goldfish is like... There it is again. I can't get this out of my head. Crush, what is wrong with you? Why are you holding on to me? Chico, I think there's a bear out here. A bear? What? Yes. I'm scared. Crash, you are a grown man. You're too old to be scared of a... Okay, I think I see what you mean. I don't know what the noise is coming from, Barry. I have no idea, Daco. Me neither. Carlin? What is it, Rosa? I think I know what the sound is. What is it, Wally? It's my stomach. I didn't even eat before I left. Why? Because I was in a hurry. You should have eaten. You're such a bottomless pit. Sorry if I'm making fun of you. Sorry. Okay, let's continue our meeting. Wally, shut your stomach up. I can't control it, Pin. It keeps growling at me. Well, why did you even eat? I didn't even finish my breakfast. So anyways, as I was saying before I was embarrassingly interrupted, we know friendship is to... Wally, you need to eat. Get your butt up and eat. Okay, man, shush.